Hopefully we don't freeze out here. So the trick for today is power loops. Power loops. Not like they do when they play guitar, but basically a big loop-de-loop. You know when you're on a roller coaster and they take you up and then they take you down and you go upside down. That's what it is. That's what power loops of themselves, and like, whew, I don't know if you can tell, it is cold. Power loops in themselves are not visually appealing just by themselves. Like you put it in an open field, like how I'm gonna practice. It's not that appealing. However, if you power loop through something, under something, over something, that's when the power loops can get cool to look. I think they're a good transition trick into other tricks. So I'm excited to get into it today. Let me get to the spot. Let me walk over there, set up. And it is a cold day. But you know what? It's Friday, fly day, so we're gonna fly. All right, catch you in a bit. Okay, so I'm here, and just want to say I made a couple changes to the drone. One, I changed the pitch of the camera, made it a little steeper. Hopefully we'll go a little faster. And then that's pretty much it. I added I had 4 blade props, and this time I have three blade props. So the goal is to power loop, and I've practiced power loops before, but I think the strategy here is step number 1 is you punch the throttle when you're going forward. So punch the throttle and just go up. And then as you're going up, tilt back. Kind of step 2, tilt back so that your props are propelling you backwards. And then when you've done that enough, step 3, cut the throttle and then smoothly rotate the quad or pitch it back until it's done a backflip. And then you should be in a position to bring the throttle back up to hover, step number 4, and power loop, out of the loop. And then you just do that over and over and over again. So I'll plug everything in and let's do it. No. Okay, so my camera went out and I don't know what to do. Okay, so I crashed into that fence there. I didn't even see it, and the feed is now gray, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna kind of tug the wires here. Maybe I can get it back in place. Ugh. See, because if a wire came out, then I'm kind of screwed, but I also can't really see. So, yeah, nope, that's soldered. Everything looks like it's intact. Yeah, everything looks good. So let's plug in the battery again. Just kind of see what we got. Oh no. I don't know what to do. All right, I'm gonna have to go figure this out, so that's cool. Okay, so figured out what the problem was. The power, the 9 volt or the 5 volt, whichever one, that goes to the camera, it was loose. It's a loose connection. So I'm gonna take it easy on this next flight, see if it'll stay up here. I'll try to get a picture. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see that, but it was this This wire right here is kind of loose in that connector in there, which is my fault from previous build. I really needed to get a new camera here, but I'm just too lazy. So, yep, but fix that and it should work. So I'm gonna take it easy this flight, and we'll see how that works. This is what I love and hate about FPV is, I'm glad I know, I can troubleshoot and fix the problems, but like I hit a fence and it completely died. Like the camera completely went out. So, but it's the challenge, it's the struggle, right? Man, every frustration, every setback just makes it that much more worthwhile when you finally do get it, when you put it together. Something so small as FPV can be just a life lesson sometimes. Setbacks aren't the thing that stop us. It's not getting up again. There's a proverb that says, "A righteous man falls 7 times, but we'll get back every time. Get back up every time." And because it's cold, the batteries in the drone, so aren't gonna last as long. So I just need to keep that in mind while I fly. Okay, new battery in. We are ready to go. Let's do this. Ooh, it's cold. That didn't sound good. Oh no. So this prop is the problem. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to put that in frame. It's definitely bent. All right, we're gonna take it easy. Successful flight. Batteries are terrible. That's okay. All right, so the big guy, 5-inch, couldn't quite get the power loops down. Maybe I can do better with the little guy. Practiced power loops as much as I could, and I got a few good ones. I got done some power loops in the past. I can't really practice power loops with the tiny loop. It's just too windy. Ooh, yeah, good day. Ooh. So you know what? Let's finish this video back inside the house. My hands aren't freezing, so catch you in a minute. So as I'm walking back, just thinking, it's hard not to feel the limitations of some of the things. Like it's cold and there's snow and, you know, I only have 3 batteries. You know, I have the 1 drone, so I can't push it too hard, otherwise I can't fly. So, but I want to push through. I want to get better, and I think this is part of. It's just part of it. Is it's like gonna all seem like forward progress, but it is. It's still progress, and it still will help me improve, I think. So, yeah, move on. I think this part of the process is just as important to show as is the triumph. It just makes the you know, the outcome even better when it finally does click, finally does happen. So I'll try flying a couple more times, and we'll see what we can do. All right, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm back at the house, gonna warm up, get some food, and yeah, live to fly another day. The drone's fine. Both the drones are good to go for the next episode. So I'm gonna draw the trick, and then yeah. I think what I want to draw is the guitar player in a band. You know, when they power loop, when they're rocking out and they just power loop through the thing. Is that called a power loop? I don't know. So first we need to draw the stage for the biggest band ever, right? Just call it band. And then, you know, we got the drums, you know, the drummer. We got the singer, Got the big video board that shows stuff. And then right here we go. We got the guitar player. And here's his head. He also has really long hair. And then the other hand is, we're gonna do this motion. It's an arrow telling you exactly what's going on. And there he is, Powerloop. I'd honestly give this trick a 1 out of 5 stars. There it is, Powerloop, done. All right, so that is Powerloop, trick number 6, done. Subscribe to keep up with the channel and to see the upcoming episodes. We got more tricks. Got a cool idea for the next video, so check that out next week. And I'm Team FPV, stay soaring.